hands like this, so you balance. Your skating will be balanced. Look straight and you will not fall. If you look down, you will fall. So if you look straight, you will fall. If you look straight, you will not fall. Bend your legs, bend your knees, hands like this, look straight. So you saw how I skated? I slowed down, and when I slowed down so much, that means I stopped. And if you are trying to turn, first keep head here, keep your wrist here, and see, that's how you. So I'm doing skating, and I'm going to slow down, but slowing down is also stop. So I am going to show you the skating dance. Okay? So this is how you do the skating dance. Hi guys, in this video we are going to do pretend shopping. So we are going to learn how to do shopping with real money and calculate. So there's a friendly shopper over there. Let's go. Hello shopper.
Hello, welcome to my shop. Please come in.
How much is this?
This is 5 rupees.
So 2 5s make 10, 10 10s make 100. So we can buy 20 of these. Next, how much is this?
This is 10 rupees.
So 10 10s make 100. 50 10s make 500. So I can buy 50 of these. Next, how much is this?
This is 40 rupees.
For 500, 40s don't make 500. So I can buy 12 of these. So how much is this?
This is 50 rupees.
So in 100, 50s make 100. So I can, two of these I can buy, but in 500 I can buy 10 of these. So how much is this?
This is 100 rupees.
100 rupees. So in 100 we can buy 1. In 500 we can buy 5. Now how much is this?
This is 200 rupees.
So in 5, but 200s don't make 500. So I can buy 2 of these, but in 1000 these I can buy 5 of these.
Do you know something? I also have some awesome cool toys instead of eatables. Check this out. This is the awesome Nerf first try gun. First you got to trigger the blaster from back. Then you should aim it from both of them and you need to shoot.
Okay, how much is this?
This is 500 rupees.
So in 500 I can buy 1. In 1000 I can buy 2.
Hey, do you know something? I also have a very big cool toy truck. Meet it. It is called the mixer truck. You can spin this in clockwise and even anti-clockwise. You can even pour the mixing things like sand and cement and it will be merged together.
So let's test it.
Yes, sure, test it.
Okay, how much is this?
This is 1,000 rupees.
So, in 1,000 we can buy one. This is expensive. I don't want. I only want to take these things. I want this, this, and this, this, and this. So
Total 500 plus 200, 700, 700 plus 100, 800, 850, 890. So I need to give you 110 rupees change. Here you go.
thank you.
Thanks for watching our video.
So like, subscribe, share, hit the bell button, and comment.
And also hit the notification bell to all so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you.
And bye.
Bye.